Hello dear friends! Now you will see another selection of coolest products from Amazon sites. All links to the products in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go!
In 2019, we introduced the world's first and smallest 100-watt GAN charger, which raised over $3.3 million in crowdfunding. Today, we're making the charger even smaller, with more features and available in 2 sizes. Introducing the new 65-watt and 100-watt stackable HyperJuice with multiple USB-C and USB-A ports. With the 65-watt model, you can quick charge a laptop, tablet, and smartphone all at the same time. The 100-watt version with its 4 ports will allow you to also quick charge an additional USB device. It doesn't take much for big, awkward chargers to fall out of your wall socket. The stackable HyperJuice, on the other hand, with its slim profile and diminutive size, not only stays close and secure to the wall, it also gives you back your outlet, supporting up to 1,500 watts of power. And this is where it gets fun. Gone are the days of fighting with coworkers over the last open spot on the power strip. Up until now, big, bulky chargers would hog up all of the outlets, leaving everyone else out in the cold. With the stackable HyperJuice, just stack one on top of the other, and everyone can power all of their devices with just one outlet. And that allows for a whopping 1,600 watts of delicious electrical goodness. The secret to its small size and powerful punch lies in gallium nitride, a new semiconductor material that allows chargers to be smaller and more efficient. So that's the new stackable HyperJuice. The 65-watt and 100-watt will retail for $79 and $99. But during our campaign, we're offering discounts up to 50% off. So at $39 and $49, you'll want to hurry to get yours now. HyperJuice. Get more.
Equipped with a new charger. More chargers you have, more complicated charging you get. Let ugreen 65-watt gallium nitride fast charger solve all your troubles. This charger endows with 3 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. Adhering to the design concept of all-in-one, so you can connect up to 4 devices at the same time. The concept of all-in-one was perfectly expressed in this product, designed to power supply for multiple devices. Smartphones, laptops, tablet, and Nintendo Switch can all be charged via this charger simultaneously. No need to worry about the different watt requirements of your devices. The built-in intelligent chip will auto-match with the optimal output. The secret of efficient charging relies on the latest gallium nitride technology, which makes this charger smaller in size and more efficient on performance. This charger has comprehensive protections to avoid overcharging, short circuit, and etc. In addition to that, and it provides the low temperature operation. What's more, fast charge protocols such as power delivery, quick charge, fast charge protocol can also be achieved. The design of all-in-one helps you get rid of the mess of charging. Travel-friendly foldable plugs offer the optimal compactness and convenience. To see the technology, to see the ugreen 65-watt gallium nitride power delivery.
Whether you're traveling for business or fun, you could settle for a traditional travel adapter, but then you'd also need a USB power supply and the USB-C adapter to connect with the latest devices. Ditch the clutter and confusion. Introducing Passport Go with GAN from Zendor. Passport Go is the first all-in-one travel adapter with cutting-edge GAN technology, supplying up to 30 watts of power in one easy-to-pack device. USB-C power delivery means Passport Go is compatible with the latest devices. Passport Go can charge up to 5 devices at the same time. Spend less time managing your gadgets and more time out of the hotel room. Passport Go has an auto-resetting fuse, meaning there will be no nasty overnight surprises. With a typical travel adapter, if you blow the fuse, you'll have to go out and find a replacement. Passport Go recovers all on its own. If you need a quick recharge on the go, Passport Go has you covered. 30-watt USB-C power delivery charges your phone more quickly than other travel adapters, so you'll never miss a beat. Or an opportunity. Passport Go works in over 200 countries, so it's always ready for your next adventure. Where will you go? Get charged, get going. Passport Go.